Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is Matthias with another tutorial guide in crypto. As always, most of the content I do create is around crypto with guides and tips. So today we're going to cover Exodus wallet as requested by one of our subscribers. So Exodus wallet is one of the most well-known crypto desktop-based wallet. If you want to know more about Exodus, you can quickly do a Google search. Going through on Google, and you will find lots of information about Exodus wallet. This wallet works in desktop across all environments, be it Mac, Windows, Linux, iPhones, and Androids. If I click in download, you will see it. There's also a version for the Web3 wallet. You also have the option to connect your Exodus wallet into your Treasure, your hardware wallet, for anyone that knows. So you can see it through. I'm not going to download because I already have it. If you want to download, you can see that it has several options across several major distributions for Ubuntu, Mac, and Windows, and this is for other sort of Linux distributions. This is for mobile, both App Store and Google Android, and also for the web, the Web3 wallet. Okay, I'm not going to show you how you install because I already have a different video down there. I can refer you to it, which I demonstrate how you use it. I already have a wallet installed, which I am loading up. So make sure that your wallet is highly and well protected. My video also explained how you do that. So my wallet is already installed, and then when it's well protected, you need to have a strong between 16 to 21 characters password. That's why my password is 27 characters. And the reason I made this video today is because I want to demonstrate how you transfer. Let's just you you have funds in one wallet, and for some reason you lost access to it, and you want to recover and transfer the assets, your crypto, to a new wallet. So the first thing you do when you install a brand new wallet. So install a brand new wallet like I did here, and then the first thing you do is to come here into the settings. On settings, you will see a backup. On your backup, you have two options. One will be to reset your password, which is not what we wanted to do. The other one will be to recover your wallet. So the wallet you want to recover your funds from. So you'll come in here and click in view, which I'm gonna do, and I'm not gonna go ahead and click in view secret phrase because I don't want to share with everyone in the world. But you will click in here, and as you have your 21 key phrase, you will add into this option, and what's gonna happen, everything that you had on the old wallet will be transferred to here. This is one option. The other option, if you have access to your existing wallet, and if you haven't actually lost it, what you do is completely different. It's if you want to transfer funds but you don't want to actually spend your fee. So you're gonna click on home. Mine is a little bit slower. You come onto the asset. Let's suggest for me BTC is where I own, It's the only place I have access. And then what you're gonna do, again, I'm not gonna show everything, just like demonstrate. You come here on these three dots, you click in there, and then you will click in move funds. When you click in move funds, it will ask for your private key. Then this private key is from the wallet you want to send your funds to. So you will copy your private key and then you will paste here. Let's suggest I'm going to a wallet which I don't have anything. Let's try with BNB. Let's go on BNB. In order for you to get your private key, you go into your wallet. I don't think I'll have a private keys for this one here. Let's try Cardano. Yes. View private keys. I can show private keys for this one. I don't have any problem because I'm not intent to have any Cardano. So you will ask for the password and you put your password there, and then you unlock, and then you have to copy all these address, and when you copy paste somewhere else and then close, and then when you about to move to your funds, what you're gonna do again, you come and move funds, paste the private key, you copy it from here, so your private key will be pasted there. For my it's not copy for some reason, so yeah, your private key will be pasted there from the wallet you want to transfer into, and then when it's ready you just click move funds. So because I didn't put any private key, the funds, and there is nothing on this wallet, there is no funds that are gonna be moved. But if I had added the private keys, then it would be moved. So again, I can show up again. Let's try again once again. So let's suggest I have some render. I'm going to render it, and I click in private keys, and now we'll get the private keys from render. I'll have to paste the password, and it will give me the private keys there. I will copy these private key details, I will paste it into somewhere, and then I'll close this, my render. Bear in mind that I will delete this wallet after this video, so I can show you regardless, and I'll install a brand new one. And after that, you can go into the wallet you want to get the funds, and click on move funds from the where you have your funds on. Paste your private key from when you signed in the funds to, and then move funds, and then you'll receive it there. Simple as that. I hope I managed to explain clearly how you do this. But if you guys in doubt, please bear in mind that I'm here to help as much as I can with my skill set, like the experience I have with this wallet. So leave me a message on these comments so I can help further into whatever doubt you have regarding this. Thank you very much, and I see you on the next video. Goodbye.